Hi, everyone. This is Dr. Mary Gillam from Leadership Table Talk. I wanted to get on tonight because I got to thinking about something that I really wanted to share with you guys. How many of you know that holding on to the old can sometimes impede your making progress into the future? Holding on to the old can keep you from moving out into that future space. Let me tell you my story. I recently had to do something that I didn't think I was going to have to do, and yet I did. If you guys have been following my channel at all, you know that I've had fairly a pretty good length of hair. Well, recently I decided to do something that I never thought I would, and I learned something in all of that because you look at my hair now and you think it's the same length. But hey, look, look. You know, if you look at it like this, you look at it like that, you look at it like that, it's not. It's definitely a lot shorter, a lot shorter. I had a lot of my hair recently cut off. And the reason I had to do it is because I had what we call breakage. I had breakage. And if you know anything about hair, if you don't trim that breakage to the point where it can start, releasing so that the rest of the hair can grow effectively, what is going to happen is going to continue to just get deeper and deeper up the shaft. And you had to go ahead and do what you may not want to do, ladies, and cut it off, cut it off. And so I ended up having to do that here recently. But what I learned in that is that you cannot hold on to the old and expect to move into your next. Sometimes you got to let it go. You got to make that decision and make that break. And just like I had to do with my hair, I would say the same thing about leadership. If you're going to go to that next level, you're going to have to make some changes. In the past, we used to always use that term paradigm shift, paradigm shift. But in this particular case, you're just going to have to make some changes, make some changes. If holding on to that old is complicating your movement up in your company or your company even advancing period, then you're going to have to make some changes. You're going to have to be willing to make those hard choices and hard decisions. And that is what leaders do. Make the hard choices, make the hard decisions. That's why you are the leader. That's why you're the leader. This is Dr. Mary Gillam from Leadership Table Talk. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've learned something. When you have to make that shift, you got to make the shift. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for today.